Mic check 1 2 1 2. So we are back with another video. We are doing Dragon Ball Z
Supreme Rivalry.
Ooh. This is a booster box.
Booster box. Yeah, it's a Dragon Ball card game.
All right, we did a like a pack rip on this. Go check it out.
Not this set specifically.
Not this one specifically, yep, but this we really love the cards and we're big fans of the series. You know, we like a lot of things, man. We like a lot of things.
Been fans, long-time fans of the series.
Yeah, so we're gonna open this as 24 packs, 10 cards per. 12 cards per. Whoa.
We don't know much.
Whoa.
If you know some. Been sitting on this box for a while.
Yeah, man, we got this pretty good, a good price. I mean, they're still relatively not as cheap as they were when they first got released. What year is this from? 2020?
This should be 2021, I feel.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, what?
Oh,
like that?
comes with a promo.
Wow.
Nice.
Super Saiyan.
Wow.
Bag and tag that bad boy.
Absolutely.
All right, so let's get to it.
Wow.
Come on, man. Yeah.
Here we go. Why we do this, man? Why we get into this now? Now I gotta keep getting these cards.
I know.
Oh my
Big bang attack action.
Dude, I'm really upset because there was like a exclusive set at one of the places at Epcot, and I was gonna buy it, and I'm like, nah.
Of Dragon Ball?
Yeah.
What?
Wow.
Oh man, I'm so mad.
Ooh, Gotenks. Ooh, Super Saiyan Trunks.
This is a nice looking card. We gotta definitely do our research.
Son Goten.
Some Gotenks.
Let us know in the comments what the numbers mean. That you know, we still don't know.
Bojack.
Oh, Krillin.
Oh! Who is that? That's Bardock? Or is that Trunks?
Gohan.
Tanks?
Go Tanks.
Gotenks?
Go Tanks.
Wow.
Look at that shininess.
Wow.
Everything's shiny.
Everything's shiny. We bagging and tagging. Yep. Everything's shiny.
And as we go.
Man, this is nice, and it's cool that they put the shiny cards at the end, so you don't have to do any sort of trickery.
Future Trunks.
Brawly. King Piccolo.
Tien Shinhan. Oh, Gotenks. Non-Super Saiyan.
220.
Broly, maybe.
From the Broly movie.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Oh, look at that.
Abity, so just one shiny card in this one.
Yeah. All right, so that's good. So it's not like every single time we're gonna get 2 hits.
The secret rare, fan.
Word?
Which one?
The second one, right?
Gotenks.
Nice.
Let's go.
Oh, Go Hanks!
Go
Hanks! Not even Gotenks. It's Trunks and Gohan fused together.
So what's the difference?
It's different people fusing.
And
This is
so
Gohan
that
and Future
happened
Trunks.
in the little mini series that they got going on.
Yes, sir.
Damn, these are nice, man.
Hercule. Mr. Satan.
Oh,
Goku. It's one of
Son Gohan.
one of Bojack's boys.
Yeah, that's definitely a rare because we haven't hit 2 shinies in a pack yet.
So I guess that's like a hot pack.
Yeah, and it's so on the bottom right, there's like initials. So this one, since it's SCR, that stands for secret rare. Let's see, Vegeta is SPR, so super promo rare.
King Code's Destiny.
Or secret promo rare.
Champ to the rescue.
Yamcha.
Hope abandoned.
Nice. All right. Grab those, yeah. Just move on out the way. All right. Oh. Chill, fam, chill. Simmer down. I have to put you in Kama KL lock. Whoa! The 10 means something.
Gohan!
The 10 means something.
Gohan from the BoJack movie, my favorite movie, son.
Yeah,
That's my favorite movie.
Nice.
It's the only movie from back then that makes the most sense.
And I like Future Trunks in that
And I love Gohan and Goku's gi like this.
That orange.
Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's a secret rare, fam.
Secret rare, yeah.
Hey,
And it's a 10. It's number 10. So that means it's definitely something, yeah.
We gotta do
Gotta mean
research on
something.
this product.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm loving these cards already.
Oh, man.
Super Saiyan God, Vegeta.
Android 18. Furious Awakening.
Yeah.
Bojack. Full power unleashed.
Whoa.
Kua. The evildoer.
Nice.
That's when he powers up.
Vegeta about to do a final flashlight there, it looks like.
Yeah, man.
These cards. Oh, these cards. Chilai, Future Gohan, oh, Super Saiyan 4 Xeno Goku, Time Patrol, Android 16, Chill, the Pillager. Oh, the future is in your hands. Oh, such a sad moment, man.
No word.
Ooh!
An X, son.
X, fam.
X, fam.
Evil Shenron?
Yes, sir.
That's Evil Shenron,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Dragon Ball GT?
It's the Black Smoke Dragon.
Yo, my dude. Sleeping on your duties, kid.
Excitement.
I'm going instant transmission on my duties.
Just disappearing. Goten. Broly. King Cold. Ooh, Gohan.
Oh.
Unstoppable Invasion. Oh!
Oh!
Yo, we just getting some hits in this box, huh?
Yeah, man, hopefully.
You need a turnaround. I need this box to turn things
This is
around.
also a super rare.
Damn, son.
They have a lot. That's the thing I noticed about the Dragon Ball cards. They have a lot. They have like ultra rare, secret rare, super rare, supreme rare.
Is there like the full art stuff and all that type of
The
stuff?
full art stuff is, I guess the cards that have like the indents that you're able to feel like.
Yeah,
the stuff
yeah,
on it.
yeah.
And I know some of these.
Talk
Oh!
about full art.
Saiyan 2, Son Gohan, push to the brink.
Let's go!
Let's go, man. That card is sick. Look at that, man. Ooh.
Yeah, these are nice, man. I'm gonna have to when we drop this video, we need some time to like go and get some boxes.
Some more.
Get some more.
And imagine if we open some of your old inventory.
I know, man. We will. Oh, we can. Oh, Android.
18.
Nice.
Golden Frieza.
Golden Frieza.
Like chala. Hey, chala.
Remember all those cards that I bought back in, what was that, 95?
Yeah, those were like the sticker cards that they had.
They weren't all stickers, though. They were cards like
That's
this.
the non-hollow version of that.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I sold all. I did actually make pretty good money on them, but wish I kept them, actually. Oh.
The androids. Oh, is that it? That's not shiny, that?
No. But it's definitely something different because they're higher numbers than like not common numbers.
Demonic Duo. Oh, this one's just a rare. That
Android?
Yeah. It has a little R on the bottom right.
Piccolo.
Piccolo. Children. Android 21. Piccolo.
Whoa.
Some Gohan.
Same combo.
Nice.
Yamcha.
Yeah, dude, the art is amazing, man. It's like it's Dragon Ball. I mean, the art was always amazing. So.
And it's like modern art too, like from scenes from the series.
From the series or.
Redrawn scenes.
Who's that? That's King Vegeta, that first one? Yeah, King Vegeta.
Yeah, King Vegeta.
Vegeta's father. Bojack.
Ooh,
Android 16.
Android 16.
All out. Oh, look at that.
Vegeta full power.
Percent blue.
Come on.
I guess they're This one's C, so I guess C stands for common. UC stands for ultra common.
I don't know. We gotta find out. Let us know in the comments if you know. If this is your wheelhouse. Oh.
Hello.
Oh, another X.
Demigras.
Nice. Oh man.
Demigras.
Dude.
It's a bad guy in the universe.
Of the game, right?
This is a super rare. Is that a super rare or super rare? I can't remember.
Did you get this at Royals?
One of them, I think.
I did. Yeah, I did. I got this at
Both
Royals.
or one of them?
Both.
How much do you pay? You remember?
Yeah. This might have been the first box or second box. I can't remember. The first box I paid like 100. The second box I paid like 80.
Yeah, remember I bought a box off of them for $50 of this, but it's 2020, right? It's different set.
Yeah, different set. It's the set before this one.
Oh, a Hercule Hollow.
All right.
Or for our Japanese fans, Mr. Satan.
Oh man.
Son Goku, Young Invaders.
That's from the Janemba movie.
Oh, that's Goku's mom.
Oh,
Ines.
From the Broly movie, right? The most recent one.
Yeah.
Oh, man, we're moving along pretty good on this video. Got I think we're down maybe to the last like 8 packs.
Sweet tomatoes.
Goku.
Get a Goku Hollow.
Furious Awakening.
Oh, Trunks.
Fusion Ring.
Oh, wow.
Who is that? Supreme Kai what? Supreme Kai Time?
Of time, yeah. Wow, that's sick. Sick.
Super different. Yeah, Supreme Kai Time. The last one for me, so I guess this is her with full power. Every time you see her, ooh, it says SPR.
What's that mean?
That could either mean Supreme Rare or Secret Promo Rare. Or Secret Promo Rare.
Trunks. Android 17.
Oh, nice.
Oh my god, these cards, man.
Yeah, they are sick, dude. They are sick.
It was so good.
It was so good, man. Another SP.
Oh. Broly. King Cold. Zangia.
Oh,
Chill,
yeah.
the Pillager.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
King Vegeta, kid.
Nice.
Nice. So then all the commons come, like they come in hollow version.
Yeah, so it's kind of similar to like the reverse hollow. And
Yeah. That's dope. And then I guess the super rares are just hollow only, right?
Yeah, the super rares would be like the ones that have the feel on it.
Yeah. And those would be only hollow. There wouldn't be a common of that. Oh.
Yamcha assaulted the androids. Nice. Yamcha got a hand stabbed through him.
Right.
Died.
I think we're down to the last
Go back to life with the
4 packs.
Yeah, he felt them dying. He held on long enough to be healed by a senzu.
Somebody give me a senzu.
Last 4 packs. Oh man.
I'm the weakest of the Z Warriors.
He's so mighty. Hula. Vegeta. Oh, how did that go? Oh,
nice.
Future Trunks.
0.
Future Trunks.
That one has definitely got some like feel to it, so it's probably a super rare.
Yes, sir. SR.
SR. All right, look at that, man. We're picking it up quick.
Yes, we are.
We're figuring it out. We couldn't even tell what a refractor was at one point, and now we
know it.
Now we're kind of figuring things out on our own. We're probably wrong though.
Oh. Shroom. Ritual at hand.
Nice. All right, last 2 packs. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, sorry.
Shiny card.
Damn.
Shining attack.
Trust Vegeta. Entry 16.
Oh. All right.
Last pack magic.
Last pack magic.
Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. Super rare.
Wow, fams.
What?
Do we have an error card that we missed?
What? What is it?
Oh, what?
Double-sided card.
They're both King Cold?
It's interesting. We gotta look into that. Let me see that. Double-sided. I don't know if that's a thing. Maybe it is. So we'll take a look at it.
That'll be the first thing.
If you find another one, then it's probably a thing. Oh, look! X!
Wow! Bardock!
Wow.
Speaking of, I found another double-sided.
Oh, yeah, so that's a thing
There it
then.
has it.
It's a thing, yeah.
So just put it with the comment?
Alright, so yeah. No, just leave it right here. So hit that like, hit that subscribe, man. These are beauties. Beautiful cards. Beautiful cards. We're definitely going to be hitting up this this product even more because we are pumped about it. I can't believe how nice these are. Totally under the radar. So hit that like, hit that subscribe, and we will catch you at the next one.
Kamehameha!